Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. Is your boy Sirmyke. Welcome to Sirmyke Nation. Well, if this is your first time of coming to my channel or page, please don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification bell, and always comment at the comment section to help the algorithm move this video far. And if you have any question, you can also leave it at the comment section. And if you are returning, you have seen my channel but you haven't subscribed, please also do the same. So this topic I'm going to do is an interesting one. I just noticed something here. I noticed that my webcam is kind of cracked. I don't know since I changed my laptop recently, so I noticed that the video editing, like I won't say the video editing, I don't know, the webcam is kind of fucked up. So but that's just it. So this video, I'm talking about Rumble. I don't know. I've been hearing about Rumble from different people. I just say let me just test it. So according to my research, Rumble is just like YouTube, right? They monetize like YouTube, but the only difference is that for you to get monetized on Rumble, you need like 100 followers, 100 subscribers. But YouTube is like 1,000 subscribers. So Rumble is like 100 followers or subscribers. So I say let me try it out. As we are doing all these things, we are going to do it together. You understand? As we are editing, sorry, as I'm doing it, you're also doing it with me. So sorry for the messy system or all these things. I'm just trying to figure it out. I said I like if you know my channel well, I like doing things together with you guys. And this is my first time trying to do it. Do you understand? So as I'm doing it, I said let me make a video for you guys. As I'm doing it, you're also following me to do it at the same time. If I make any mistake, please, if you know about it, please, you are free to also correct me at the comment section. Do you understand? So let's dive in. So the first thing you have to do is go to this is your turn. Is rumble.com. I said let me just try rumble rumble.com. Is this thing? Should I minimize it? It's like I will. Oh, I can't change it from here. Okay. As you can see, Rumble is just like YouTube. See, the only thing different is that YouTube is yellow, but this is green. So people are posting videos already. It has shorts, it has live. You can go live here and all these things and things and things and things. So next thing you want to do is let's click on sign up. You understand? So I'm going to sign up. Okay. So I'm going to pause here because I don't want you guys to know my details. You understand? So I'm going to pause the video here. So that but once I'm done with the sign up, we'll continue. So let me pause this video here. Once I'm done with the sign up, I will let you guys know. But if you as you can see, you can just put your email, date of birth, you click next. Do you understand? So let me just pause the video and do the filling up. So once you are done with the filling, the next page you're going to see put your username, your gender, your country, then next. So let me just do it now. Let me just do it now. I will still pause the video. I'm just trying to show you the step by step you're going to take. Let me also pause the video now. I think I need a hotkey. The next step is going to see you're going to put in your password. So these are the criteria for the password. At least 8 characters, uppercase, special key, lowercase, and numbers. Do you understand? So to make your password more secure. So as I'm filling it, I'm going to sorry, still going to pause it again so that you understand. I'm still going to pause it again. So on the second thought, I feel like let me just start from the beginning. No need of stressing this thing. Let me just say this is a full tutorial. So no need of me pausing and playing it. So I said let me start from the beginning. So let me do a demo account. Do you understand? I'm done with the registration with that one, but let me just do a demo account because of you guys. So let me which of my email will I use? Okay. Email for all at Gmail. This is an email I normally use for tutorial and all these things. So month of birth, what am I hiding? I'm not a young guy again. I'm August 23, 1995. If you're older than me, that's your business. If I'm younger than you, that's your business. Okay. Once I'm done, username, which username will I choose? Let me choose. Wait, let me choose something. So let me use Sirmyke to to tutorial. Is it not too long? Okay, let me use. Which email should I use now? Okay, let me use don't care. I don't care. I'm a male as usual. My country, I'm Nigerian. For people that don't know, I'm a Nigerian. Okay. Next. Someone have already taken I don't care. I don't care, bro. No. Um, which username should I use now? Okay. God's plan. This is another username I normally already taken. Now this is a lie. This is a lie. God's love. Let me know if someone have taken all these things. Someone have taken it. Ah, this is crazy. Someone have taken all my secret usernames. Okay. God's God God's care. Okay. Someone don't know about that one. So what will I use as my password? Okay. 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 For people that think I will mention my password, I'm not going to mention it. So I already checked the box. Once I fill out it, I already check the box. Okay. Next, save email. Confirm your email address. That is another crazy thing about this email address. It's not linked to my account again. I disabled the email address long time ago. Okay, 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 okay. I don't have the email address again. Uh, what should I do now? And come just give me let me get my old phone. So once you're done, next thing you're going to do is to go to your profile, right? Go to your profile, go to settings here, go to settings, fill all this. Once you're done, you go to your profile, upload a picture. This is the same picture in my YouTube channel. So I uploaded it. If you want to fill your details, you can fill, but I left my I might fill my Facebook. In short, I'll fill it, but not now. This local account, I don't know what it means, so I left it. You need to do verification. Do you understand? You need to do verification. I tried doing verification, but it's not working. So I tried to, sorry, why? I tried doing verification with my Nigerian line, but it refused to go through. But I don't want to use my Turkish line to do my verification because I'll be traveling soon. So I don't want to do verification. If I want to log in again, they'll ask me to put the verification code that I was sent to my Turkish line, which the line won't work in Nigeria. So I no need of me doing the verification. So I can, if I try to use Nigeria, let me try it again if you know it will work. I don't know if it is it, if not if it's because I'm not in Nigeria now that is acting this way. But let me try. 7069 They won't send me any code. I've tried it many times. I don't know why it's acting this way. Maybe Nigeria is having issue. They're having issue with Nigeria. I've not received any code. But if I want to use this number to verify from YouTube, it works, and other Facebook. but I don't know why it's not working for this site. Hmm. Well, I know maybe you one day it will start working, but for now it's not working. So another thing that this company, this they have an app on Play Store and on App Store, so you can download it. The same thing, Rumble. But as a content creator, you're also going to download the Rumble Studio. So I want to show you something about your channel because not everybody knows about this stuff. So now you have to scroll down, creator dashboard, scroll down, and click on channels, my channel. So you need to create a channel. I've already created one. Do you understand? We created one. I tried to use the same name that I use on YouTube, but they don't accept the underscore. So I have to create it. So this you can create like as many channels as possible, like YouTube also. So this is my channel. So you need to create a channel. I've already created a channel. I got 2 followers. I'm following 2 people. Okay. So you need let me show you how to create a channel. It's easy. Click on create a channel. Write the name of the channel, like Sirmyke, um, Sirmyke, like Sirmyke Nation. No, Sirmyke Enterprise. Description. You write what it's all about. A page, a channel for all. I'm going to call it. I'm just trying to show you guys how to do it. Upload a thumbnail. And which thumbnail should I use? I don't have pictures even in my I don't have pictures in my gallery. Pictures. Um, so just filling everything and press or create. That's all for it. It's not that hard. So you need to, so if you want to check your stacks and everything, go to your dashboard. You see everything. I'm just rushing. I need to go somewhere. So that's all for it. So so that's all it. That's where you show your stacks. You show your earning and all this thing. So like I told you, that you need 100 followers. 100 followers to get monetized, you know, so unlike YouTube. So I will paste my channel link below so that you guys can follow me. And anybody that follows me, I follow the person back. Let's try to follow each other to get like 100 followers each or more than so that all of us get monetized and start making money. But doesn't mean that the when you post videos, it will make money. You keep on, you'll be getting money from it when you post videos, do you understand? But you can't withdraw the money unless you get your 100 followers. That is different between it and YouTube. Maybe they will try to also return back the way they are, like you how YouTube is. But for now, they don't have a much let's say much people on it. That's why it's true like this. Do you understand? So if you have any question, guys, just leave it at the comment section. I will try as much as possible to answer this question, or I will try also to redo a video to redo this video. Thank you guys. Till next time. Love you.